Hey everybody, Taylor Brown here with String Fairy. In this episode, I'll be making polka dots in Blender. So let's add a Voronoi texture. Shift A, Voronoi, and then press Ctrl T to add a texture setup. Ctrl T, then press Ctrl Shift left click to view the node with the node wrangler installed in the add-ons. And then let's add a color ramp right here. Change the interpolation to constant. Move the white on the other side. And then let's add a mix RGB. And copy the Voronoi. Change the coloring to cells. And plug this into the bottom color socket. Change the first color to the base, which is black. And now we get those polka dots. And we can control the color of them using a color ramp, like so. Then change the interpolation to constant. Pick some colors here. Let's do red and blue and yellow. And then we can add a value node to control both of these scales at once. And this controls the scale of the polka dots. Okay. And that's how you make polka dots in Blender.